What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Chevelle. This car here has a fiberglass hood, front disc brakes, that's Wilwood. Should be a crate 350 under the hood here. We're gonna take off down the road, see how she runs and drives. And when I get back, I'm gonna do an inspection and walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. We'll open up the trunk, check the interior out. But first, we're gonna take off down the road. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I post cars like this every single day. We get about 40 of these a month, so it's about that time. Be sure to go over to maplemotors.com. You can get close to 100 detailed pictures of this car. Finance options are available. And shipping anywhere in the US. All right, guys, let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. Go ahead, do you think the horn works? Go ahead and place your bets. We do got some aftermarket gauges on the dash. Hurst shifter in the floor. Looks like a new style digital radio. No AC on this car. Dash pad's in great shape. The seat in this car looks great too. Headliner's in good shape. Go ahead and start trying some stuff out. I'm gonna start it up. Oil pressure gauge is coming up, so is the RPMs. And the water temp's coming up as well. It's not quite warm yet. Go ahead and try our wipers, see if they work. I don't think they do. I don't even think they've been taken off this car, so. Horn, you think it works? It does work. Try the radio. It's cutting on. Radio works. Blower motor works. Good deal. All right, guys, let's take off down the road. All right, guys, we're getting ready to take off down the road. This one does have seat belts. Looks like brand new seat belts. This side's not connected on this one. Let's see if I got one on the driver's side. Well, it has seat belts, but they're not connected. I'd say you probably do need them in this car, but today we're just gonna take it easy and go down the road and see how this car runs and drives. So, start back up here. This is the first time I've driven this car. We're gonna find out exactly how it shifts, see if it's a reverse or just a manual here. So that would be first, I believe, if it was just regular. See if it's just gonna die if I let it get low. Oh, it's holding its own. Of course, it's 5 o'clock right now. I'm trying to get the last couple videos in. There's a lot of traffic, so I have to be patient with other people, especially with me getting out trying these cars out. Here we go. We get open road now. Second, third there, and it went in every time I shifted. Speedometer's coming up, but it is wrong. We're not doing 70. Steering's nice and tight. Brakes feel good on this one too. I'm gonna try on the second portion of the test drive just to leave it in third and see if it'll shift all the way through the gears. I noticed the engine temp jumped up to about 210 and now it's back to 190. So as soon as it hit 210, it dropped to 190. Real fast, rapidly. Just opened up. Turn signal wise, it is popping up on the dash. Car's so loud I can't hear the turn signals clicking. So pretty smooth ride. I mean, it initially feels like a strip car when you first get in here, but now I definitely can see you driving it around town, going to the car shows, just cruising with it. Just shifted there. I'm gonna pull into this parking lot here, get some drive-by shots, then we'll continue this test drive. This car will easily blow the tires off. I can feel it. I've been quarter throttling it this whole time. Oh yeah. Alright, got y'all set up in the window here. I'm gonna have to crack my vent window. Get some airflow. I had to roll y'all up, and it is about 90 degrees today. So I'll just tough it out. It's fun driving this car anyways. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it in third and listen for it to shift. It shifts pretty quick, and it's holding its own. I mean, it's coming down on the RPMs without dying. That's good. All right, here we go. It's 3 shifts right there. Of course, I was watching him mainly. For her, I don't know. Car's still, oh. The student driver pulled out in front of me. What I was going to say is the car's still holding a good temperature. It's right below 200 and it pulls itself back down to 190 every time. Even circling that parking lot back there, I did a full walk around back there, did all my outside shots, and the car never got hot. It actually dropped to 180 just now. So it's staying nice and cool. We're gonna turn up here on this road here in a second. It's a big old bump. The suspension's felt great in this car already, so. Hopefully they don't turn right with us. Because they going so slow. Okay. We're good to go here. Kind of falling on its face about half throttle, unless I ran out of gas. Could have just ran out of gas, which would suck. Let's find out here. I'm gonna keep on rolling while I can. It rolls free. This might be the first time I've ran out of gas with y'all. I'm parking in the shade for show. Let's see. Try again. I don't know if it just ran out of gas or I just flooded it out. But I held it to the floor there for a minute. Let's try it again. We did great that time. Not 100% sure why it cut off on me. I could have flooded it out. We're giving it too much gas at one time. I don't want to raise too much through this parking lot. Somebody will back into it. With all this heavy traffic, I'm gonna go ahead and pull back into the lot. It still feels fine. I think I may have just flooded it out getting on it. Because that was the first time that I just held it to the floor. All right, we're back at the lot now. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the test drive. We just got back to the lot. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. You could get financed. You can get shipping information, details on every car with pricing. We'll try to help you out the best we can. You can check out the walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws on the inside, outside trunk of the car. Like I said, we'll try to help you out. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. All that information is provided below in the description. You wait till the last 30 seconds of this video. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you will get a walk around video of this particular car. Or you can just type in 1968 Chevelle Maple Motors. 2 videos will pop up and give you a full description. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.